Today we would like to talk about, teach again a little bit of Kiruba here. We would like to teach another proverb today. It's going to be about Dima Bupika, Udye Bwana. Dima Bupika, Udye Bwana. It's a proverb which is presenting us the reason of hard work. Work hard so that you can be free. If you don't understand everything which is said in this proverb, this is what it is. Work hard so you can be free. Dima Bupika, it say cultivate, work, cultivate as a slave. That's to say, you work as a slave. Work as a slave. Live as a child in the palace, which I call live as a king or a prince in the palace. So for you to reach that way of living, you have to work hard. Learn to work hard. It is important for your freedom. Today, people who are free is because they work hard to reach that level, and they're not working hard anymore just because they start by working hard. So that's what this proverb kind of give as information. So they say work hard to be free. It's a Dima Bupika, Udye Bwana. What I wrote as explanation: cultivate as a slave, eat sonship. It also said work as a slave, eat as a child. So as a child in the house, you work as a slave. I remember just doing that, working, and some people will look at you, maybe they're not even gonna know you are the owner of that thing, and then at the end that doesn't matter, and after working you have what is need to survive, and then you even hire people over time when you stop working, or you keep working even though when you work with joy you can't even stop because you enjoy working. When you don't work, you don't eat. That's why the Bible even says, you don't work, you don't eat. You have to work. It is important, not only for you to survive, but it is important for your health. Laziness doesn't really help. So let's go back to the proverb. Dima Bupika, Udye Bwana. And then there is other meanings here. It's cultivate, work, and sweat, you will gain your freedom. Cultivate, work, sweat, and you gain your freedom. So that's what this proverb said. So we return the proverb said, if Dima Bupika Udye Bwana, it means that work as a slave and be free, and you'll be free, or you'll be eating as a son in the house. So that's what it means. So the vocabulary in this place, as we always go from explanation to vocabularies. The vocabulary, we have Bupika, which is slavery, and then we have Dima, cultivate, and then we have Udye, eat, Bwana, sonship, or I added kingship. I believe Bwana is also kingship, and so you live as a king or as a prince if you want to be free. So to conjugate, I found two verbs in this. We have kudima and the verb kudia. We already conjugated. We already know about verb kudia. We spoke about verb kudia multiple times. But kudima, verb kudima, it's verb cultivate, which is Nadima, I cultivate. Wadima, Wadima, Tubadima, Mubadima, Abadima. I cultivate, you cultivate, he or she cultivate, we cultivate, you cultivate, they cultivate. So that's what I prepared for you. For Kudia, very easy. We spoke about that before. Nadye, Wadye, Wadye, Tubadye, Mubadye, Abadye. I even spoke about last time saying some people say Nadye, Wadye, Wadye, Tubadye, Mubadye, Abadye. So it's the same thing. It sounds the same thing. If you just return something one side, you will understand or other kind of kiluba that exists in the North Katanga. So just to let you know that it's important to retain all those verbs. They will help you if you don't have, and just to retain a word, just to retain one word at a time. Who knows, you'll be reaching easily the level of understanding. At least you say, oh, I heard this word, it may mean this way. So that's my aim, to try to let you know, to help you understand the language, and at least one word at a time. We have million of words, but one word at a time can do something instead of staying there doing nothing. Learn, learn, learn. Let's go forward in learning. I'm still working on trying to find other ways to communicate and teach the language. If you are a listener who comes once in a while or all the time, please write to me, text or something like that. Respond, react, prescribe if you can. Then I will have more people as you write, comment, and tell me what you think is the right way, or do you understand what we're talking about? What is in your heart? Share, please. All right, looking forward to talking to you again. God bless.